Hello, it's Melissa with Atlas CFO, and today we're talking about banking relationships and what kind of information our banker asks from us when we first get started. So let's get started. The first thing that our banker typically asks for is 3 years worth of financial information. And you're thinking, 3 years? Why 3 years? Well, 3 years is considered a trend. And so if you have 3 years of data, a lot of our banker friends can look at it and say, oh, I can see how they're doing or what their goals are or what they're trending towards, and it just makes their life easier. Now, some bankers will only ask for tax information, but others will ask for a balance sheet and an income statement as well. Now, depending on what kind of software you're using, some of our software doesn't refer to it as an income statement, but a profit and loss. So if you can provide those 3 years of year-end information, it really helps your banker. The next thing that they'll ask for is a lot of corporate information. Sometimes they'll ask for articles of incorporation, organization, member agreements, corporate agreements, shareholder agreements, all kinds of things like that. So all around your corporate structure and the kind of entity you are. The other thing they'll ask about is what kind of accounting basis you are. Are you cash basis, accrual basis, percent complete? How do you operate your business? So if you can come ready with those answers, it's going to make it go a little faster. The next thing they typically start looking at is value. Many times they'll ask you, what do you think the value of your company is? Oh, that's a really tough question. We don't know sometimes. So there's two places that we can look that gives a little bit of an insight to this. The first area is in our assets. You can go to the assets section of your balance sheet and talk about the fair market value of your assets. So what would they be worth if you had to sell them? The second area you can go to is your equity section, and that's the section at the end of your balance sheet. And you can look at the total there and see how much value your company would be worth. Those two areas can be a big help to your banker to know what the volume of debt that they could give you or how much risk they could afford with this relationship. Now, if you would like more on this topic, we have some resources for you. So we have a free resource on our website, which is our top 10 ways to increase our cash flow for a job. And we also have several cash flow courses that you can look at on our website and check those out. Thank you very much for your time. Please visit us at atlascfo.com. Thank you.